This is my Swiss Army knife. It's got pretty much all the tools that I need. It's got two kinds of soles, a knife blade, a can opener, a pair of scissors in it. It's got a corkscrew, a pretty hefty duty um, flathead. It's got a couple of awls on it. It's got a toothpick, tweezers. It's got a flathead. Got a bottle opener. Got a can opener. This is one part of my EDC. I'm doing a review on this, just a quick look at it. It's so cool. I mean, again, this right here with this right here, the Camp King that I just did a kind of review over, you know, first look, first impression. These two knives, pocket tools, together would tremendously help me out in the woods and be an effective force. So this is a first look, so just saying what's up. Leave your comments and your words of wisdom at the bottom.